Hello, in this video I'm going to solve question number 3 from this old national exam. The figure shows the graph of the function f, as you see here. Use the graph and state which one of the alternatives a to f is the best value for f prime of 2. This is a problem that asking your knowledge about if you know the geometrical interpretation of the derivative. So what is the geometrical interpretation of the derivative of the function f calculated at 2? F prime of 2, as we learned during the lesson, means or it is equal to the slope of the line tangent to this curve at the point on the curve whose x-coordinate is 2. So the first thing that I have to do is to find the point on the curve whose x-coordinate is 2, but that is extremely simple. What I will do, this is the point 2, so I will come up to so that find intersection point with the graph, and I see this is the point, and that is the point of tangency t. Now I have to know the tangent line to this curve at the point t and try to calculate its slope. Whatever that number is, that number will be equal to f prime of 2 according to what we learned during this lesson. To understand that, I will take my ruler and try to do my best to draw the tangent line as accurately as possible to the curve at the point t. I don't know, hopefully you agree with me that this might that seems to be good, yeah? So you don't have to be worried about being that much precise, but yeah, you have to try to do your best. So what I will do, I will draw the tangent line here. Okay, this is my tangent line, and now I have to be able to read the slope of this tangent line. Okay, so I need 2 grid points for finding the k value because I want to use the famous formula for the slope. What was that? The slope of the straight line is change in y coordinates divided by change in x coordinates for 2 well-chosen points, 2 arbitrary chosen points on the line, but here we have to be able to read the coordinates, so they have to be somehow the grid points. Okay, so what I will do, I will choose one point to be this point, which is a grid point, and I can read its coordinates. So if you don't mind, let me write it here. So the coordinates of t are 2 and 4. Another one, so if you don't mind, let me call this one a, for example. I can also read the coordinates of a. What are they? The x-coordinate is just simply 1, the y-coordinate is 6. So a becomes 1 and 6. And now to calculate k, I would say the difference between y-coordinates, for example, y of a minus y of t. It doesn't matter which one you write first, but whatever you write first in the numerator, you have to start with that in the denominator as well. So here I have started with point a for y coordinates. Now I also have to start with x of a for x coordinates. Okay, and then put the numbers here. So y of a is 6, y of t is 4, and then x of a is 1, x of t is minus 2. So the numerator becomes 2, the denominator becomes minus 1, so the slope that you get is just simply minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 will be this option to choose. So the answer to this problem that you have to write here is option number E. Okay, so I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.